Thiruvananthapuram Chengal Shivalingam sets national record. With a height of 111 feet 2 inches, the Shivalingam constructed at the Maheshwaram Sri Shivaparvati temple at Chengal in Trivandrum has become the tallest Shivalingam in the country, with recognition from the India Book of Records. According to temple authorities, the construction not only pays homage to the deity but also promotes meditation. The construction has 6 meditation halls, 108 different Shivalingas, and 64 forms of Lord Shiva. It is made to persuade the center to declare the temple as a national pilgrimage center. My friend has gone to this temple. We can also get the blessings of Lord Shiva. Let us all go to the temple. Come on, join with me.
We are entering into Chengal Maheshwaram temple. It is very near to Trivandrum. 1 hour from Trivandrum, near Neyyatrangara. We are entering into it. This is a huge dome, inside which Shiva and Parvati temple. The other name is Shiva Parvati temple, so you can get root from that name. And then inside this temple, 32 Ganapati are there, that is Vinayagar. 32 Vinayagar idol. Next comes the huge Shiva, which is built within this 1.5 years. Inside this, huge linga, 7 to 8 floors are there. This is the entrance of this linga. If we go into this, lot of seating arrangements are there, so we can wait, and very few people are entering into it. Just now we came out from the linga. There are 7 floors in this linga. Actually, mobiles are not allowed. Our body consists of 7 chakras. So 6 chakras, and in the 7th floor we can see the idol of Shiva and Parvati blessing us. So I said this linga consists of 7 floors and 108 Shivan lingas. Each and every chakra have 10 to 15 Shivan lingas. Totally 108 Shivan lingas. So it's a very ritual place to visit. Thank you.